It is mentioned in Fatawa Durre Mukhtar, first volume, Babul Adhan, that Azan is sunnat at several places. For example, 5 times daily salat, to give Azan for that is sunnat. To give Azan in the ear of a newly born baby, when there is a huge fire, when there is a war, when a traveler leaves, when the jinns, the evil spirits, they appear and they start troubling people, one should give Azan at that time. A person who is very angry, to give Azan on him so he can cool down. A traveler who has forgotten his way, maybe he is in the jungle and nobody is there to tell him, he should give Azan. And person who is suffering with epilepsy, or he had a fit, so when he had a fit of epilepsy, one should give Azan. So all these are different occasions whereby Azan is sunnat. So Azan is not only for one occasion, Azan is for multiple reasons. So therefore Azan, to remove the fitna of shaitan at that time when person is being put in the grave and exam and the test is about to start, is sunnah.